Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, deep, meaningful story about staying calm in difficult times. There was a boy named Aryav. Aryav was hardworking. He had dreams. He had goals. But one year, many problems came into his life. His exam did not go well. His family faced financial trouble. His plans failed. Aryav felt stressed. He felt worried. He felt afraid. His mind was full of negative thoughts. He said to himself, "Why is this happening? Why is everything going wrong? I cannot handle this." One evening, Aryav went to the river. The water was flowing slowly. The sky was quiet. An old man was sitting nearby. He looked peaceful. Aryav asked softly, "Uncle, how can you stay so calm?" The old man smiled gently. He said, "Look at the river." Aryav looked at the water. The old man continued, "When stones come in the river, does the river stop?" Aryav said, "No. It flows around the stones." The old man nodded. He said, "Life is like this river. Problems are like stones. If you panic, you stop. But if you stay calm, you find a way." He added, "Calmness gives clarity. Clarity gives solutions." Aryav listened carefully. That night, he decided to change his reaction. When problems came, he paused. He took a deep breath. He thought carefully. Slowly, he found small solutions. Step by step, his situation improved. He learned something powerful. Difficult times do not last forever, but calm people grow stronger. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Life will bring problems. Life will bring challenges. But stay calm. Think clearly. Move forward slowly. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep staying calm, and always remember, calmness is strength in hard times.